let me show you how to block unwanted emails on Yahoo Mail. Now, all we need to do is select the email you want to block. So let's select this one here by selecting this little square at the left hand side. Now with the email you want to block selected, come up to these three little dots here and select them. Then come down and select block senders. It'll then give you a summary of what you want to do. So it'll select the email, then it'll select block all future emails, delete all existing emails. So if you're happy with that, you can untick anything, then select OK. And you can see here with this message, blocked sender added. They won't be in the spam or anything like that. They will all have been deleted. And them emails will be blocked. So that's how to successfully block unwanted email on Yahoo Mail. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this one.